Hi, welcome to their step to building a macro quadcopter using the CC3D board. I just received this board from Banggood. Well, so it was shipped with 4 cable, so 3 like this. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, and the last one using a GST-SH connector, so with coming with 8 pins. Well, so in fact I don't have the receiver plug ending with the 6GR connector, but I guess I can use this one to connect to my receiver. But I observed that the color wire are not the same compared to the receiver cable, so be aware. For example, the red in fact is the ground and the black is the +5, and well, this blue in the middle is a signal, so be aware. But I guess it's possible to, for example, I'm planning to use it with my Rcgroups D4R2 in CPPM mode, so I will hope to connect just on the top 3 first pin there, so be aware to not be wrong with the wire. Okay, so when you receive your CC3D boards, it's not coming with any plug to connect your AEC, and well, you have to have some spare single row 2.54 millimeters pins in order to solder. Okay, so since I will build a quadcopter, the first is you need 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so I will solder this 4 row of 3 pins right now. Okay, I will use to attach before soldering job the 4 3-pin rows. I will use some electrical tape to attach on the board the 4 together, because I will swap the sands in order to solder, so they won't escape. Okay, I taped the 4 row pins, and now we'll start the soldering job session. Okay, I soldered the 4 rows. Well, so the job is correct. That's fantastic. But well, so now I can, if I want, plug the ESC, and well, I will check my theory if I can use the provided cable in order to connect the receiver, at least in CPPM mode. So I will check the voltage on the receiver ports here if it's really related to, well, the ground and the +5 and so on. Okay, I plug an ESC in order to power on the CC3D boards, in order to check if finally the red is nothing else but the ground and the black the +5. So well, I turn on the ESC in order to power on the board, and I will check the voltage in the input, and effectively, so I put the, as you can see, on the red you have the ground, and the black you have the +5, and if you can read the digital meter you have +5 volts, so it's okay. So definitively using the shipped wire, you can use it, for example, for your receiver, so be aware to invert. Okay, this is the ground, this is a plus, this is your signal. Okay, so you can use the 3 first cable to, for example, in for CPPM receiver. Thank you. This is the demo platform to the CC3D. So I power on the CC3D boards through the first ESC. Okay, I use this one, powered by 2S LiPo, and I use this shipped cable. So first I checked the voltage, so be aware that you have to connect the wire like this. Be careful, the red is the ground and the black is a plus 5, and finally this blue is the signal wire. So I plan to use in CPPM mode, so I install a jumper on the signal binds between channels 3 and 4. So well, and I will use my demo. I've got a model using the FreeSky protocol. So if I turn on the receiver, okay, it's everything is turning on, and if I turn on my demo, okay, using using the FreeSky protocol. Okay, this default one is a D mode one, so you can see that I've got a green fast flashing lights, and well, the CC3D got a green and blue LED flashing, so seems to be okay. Well, this is the end of this small demo platform.